With the current state of the cryptocurrency market, it is obvious that investors are very fearful right now. In fact, you can see the fear to greed index as reported by CoinMarketCap is at a level of 37. Now, yesterday was a level of 36, and we have begun to tick back up just slightly. But when investors are fearful, they flock towards safe havens. Whales, however, they know that the market is going to rebound. They know that the cryptocurrency market is cyclical, and therefore they are willing to buy when others are fearful. They get greedy when others are fearful, and fearful when others are greedy. We're going to be talking about some meme coins that they are buying in this video. We're going to be talking about the top 5 meme coins that could show the largest potential during this upcoming bull market. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro. And as you can see, fear to greed right now is at a level of 37. Investors are fearful. Retail investors, in fact, retail investors are nowhere to be found. Take a look at this chart right here. This shows you that retail interest in cryptocurrency is at a level of 4. This is the lowest level of interest that we have seen dating back prior to 2019. Think about that, guys. We cannot go any lower than we are right now. Retail is nowhere to be found. Whales are eating up the dip. So what are they eating up the dip in, and what are the top 5 meme coins? Number 1, Shiba Inu coin. Guys, Shiba Inu coin is amongst the largest meme coins in the world, only being beat out by market cap with Dogecoin. But Shiba Inu coin has an incredible community that is going to allow it to outlast any of these downturns and any of these bear market cycles or major pullbacks like we have been seeing in the market right now. It has got one of the most dedicated holder bases on Coinbase with 2-year plus average hold times, and Shiba Inu coin is looking very, very good in terms of long-term potential based on the size of its community. From there, I want to talk about Pepe, right? A lot of analysts believe that Pepe can flip Shiba Inu coin. The same way that analysts called Shiba Inu coin the Dogecoin killer, thinking that it would flip Dogecoin, analysts are expecting Pepe to flip Shiba Inu coin as well during this upcoming bull market. Now, Pepe, as you can see, doing incredible. $844 million in volume. In fact, that's nearly 2.5 times the amount of volume that Shiba Inu coin has seen over the last 24 hours. Pepe is truly a testament to the new generation of meme coins. And I believe when this bull market bounces back up and investors turn greedy once again, the whales that are buying Pepe right now are going to see huge increases in their portfolio. Now, these are 2 very large meme coins, but if we're talking about the top 5 meme coins to outperform all other meme coins in this upcoming bull market cycle, we need to look at some small ones right now. And Pepe Unchained is a tiny little layer 2 blockchain that is being built. This is a meme coin that is creating its own blockchain. So speaking of Shiba Inu coin, right, we know that the ecosystem team there has developed Shibarium, a layer 2 blockchain which uses Bone as its gas token. Pepe Unchained is building a layer 2 blockchain which is going to use Pepe or Pepe Unchained token as its gas token and governance token. So if you guys are looking for instant bridging, 100x faster than Ethereum, a dedicated block explorer, and low transaction fees, all while earning 651% annualized interest, you need to check out Pepe Unchained because the price is going to increase in 11 hours, 6 minutes, and 40 seconds from now. And these guys are doing an incredible job with already $2.9 million sold during this ridiculous pullback. So not only are investors, or whale investors I should say, grabbing Pepe, grabbing Shiba Inu coin, they're clearly grabbing Pepe Unchained as well, because you don't do $2.9 million in inflows at a time when the market is showing all retail investors are ready for outflows. On top of that, going off the Pepe and Shiba Inu memes, you've got Shiba Shootout. Shiba Shootout is a brand new meme coin here that is offering 1,771% annualized interest. Why do I believe that this could do so well during the upcoming bull market? A variety of reasons, but let's talk about two. Number one, the 1,700% annualized interest you are earning right now is going to allow people to stack up so heavily during this pullback that they're going to see wild gains just with, even moderate capital appreciation is going to result in wild gains if you're able to receive those level of rewards for any extended period of time. Just stack on top of that. That's a 17x increase if that lasted for a year. Add that to a 2, 3, 10x increase in the overall price. You're talking about 17 times 10, guys. That's 170x potential if that played out that way. So Shiba Shootout could do phenomenal during the upcoming bull market in gaming tokens. A lot of people are moving over towards these cryptocurrency play-to-earn games, and PlayDoge here is building a play-to-earn Tamagotchi-style game that is going to allow people to raise, feed, entertain, basically take care of your Doge pet, and in doing so, you're going to earn additional PlayDoge tokens. So we've got gaming tokens, we've got meme tokens, we've got exponential rewards being given out right now. The only thing that you have to make a decision on, are you going to be buying when everybody else seems to be panicking? The whales are doing it. I am doing it. I am hoping that you guys are paying attention to the current market, and I am hoping that you're not one of the retail investors that comes in during the peak, during the excitement, and then leaves as things get tough. Because you don't make the gains by buying in here when everybody else is buying. You make the gains by buying in here when everybody else is running. And then you're selling when everybody else is buying. Pay attention to the cyclical nature of the market. Pay attention to these tiny little tokens. And let me know what you guys think about them down in the comments below, because these are the top 5 meme coins to outperform all other meme coins during this upcoming bull market. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.